Okay, so now see here, let me just say here, I want to do this question. Okay, I actually recorded, but I deleted that. Now see, I'm explaining again. So here what happens is, they are asking us to solve this using A star, and they are also asking us to write the open list and closed list. So I don't think this is required because I know how to explain that. So see here, you can see this heuristic value right here. A is 9, S is 7, D is 5, and B is 4, E 3, C 2, and G 0. So now in the open list, okay, first we'll insert this S in the open list. Oh, where is my in the open list? I'll put S. Okay, so close initially it is 0, then I went S. So when I mark S as, then what I'll do, I'll put this S into closed list. When I plus S into closed list, then in the open list I'll be having the path available from S. Okay, A and D. So I'll put A and D in the open list. In the open list, I can see that A is having heuristic of 9 and D is having heuristic of 5. So it will select 5 and it will put D now in the closed list. From D, I have here I had A and D, right? Now here I will be having B and E. Wow, fine. Then again 4 and 3. So it selected D. Now here it will select E. Then again E in the closed list. From the open list is put into closed list. Then from E I have only G. I'll select G. I got the path. Done. That's it. That's how it is happening. If you want to see just once more, here it is not the. I just generated this to get the idea of it. Okay, it's not the correct one. You just write starts at S, open list S, closed list, nothing is there. Then expand S. If you expand S, the open list, you don't have to write every node here. Okay, the computer did not have the idea of this. So in open list, you'll be having only A and D. Okay, not other things. So H is 5 and A is not like that. So open list A with H of 9 and D H of 5. Then closed list is S. Same way you will expand one by one and you will write off like that. That's what it's there about this one thing. Okay. Then outline the generic knowledge based agent program. Write P specification of Wumpus word. Let us see what's here. Generic knowledge agent program. Okay. Then we have here, see here. A knowledge based agent is designed to handle complex environments by using a process of inference to derive new knowledge and make decisions here and outline of general knowledge. Okay, so first of all, knowledge based agent program will always have its knowledge base. So what is knowledge base? You can say a set of representation of facts about the world. Statements, it contains statements which has objects in it, in which objects are defined, which involves quantifiers, statements, and all, etc., etc., etc. It is a set of representations of facts about the world. Uses formal language to express knowledge. Inference engine derives new facts from existing knowledge. Uses logical reasoning methods such as modus ponens and resolution. Okay, this comes under your what is that, propositional logic, first order logic part. Okay, in that all these things come. Then perception receives input from the environment, updates the knowledge base with new percepts. Okay, so you'll be having some what to say, things and all, right? According to that, it will react. Then agents action selection chooses actions based on a current knowledge base. Uses decision making algorithm to select the best action, then execution. Okay, carries out the chosen action in the environment. It's a general thing. Okay, just remember these headings. Okay, then understand inference engine. Already your knowledge base will be there. From that existing knowledge base, you will derive new facts, and you use more exponents and resolution for doing something new. Then you have what is knowledge base, a set of representations about explain about the world, and uses some languages also to express the information or knowledge. Perception receive input from the environment. Every time whatever the percept is there, you will take from the environment. Okay, then updates the knowledge base with new percepts. So already something was there. Okay, suppose here something was there already. They say like this, then some else new thing it perceived, so it will update. Understood? Then action selector, whatever is required current knowledge base, from that probabilities decision it will do and take execution, done. Then P's classification of Wumpus world. P stand for performance, E stand for environment, then A stand for actuators, S stand for sensors. Okay, simple thing. Performance measure. How the performance is done. Find the goal, avoid the wumpers, and avoid the pits. That is your goal. So how the performance is measured, the criteria is there. If you okay, based on these four things, we will perform what calculate the performance measure. If you find the goal, plus 1000 points. If you die, fall into pit, Humpas is eaten by Humpas, minus 1000. For each move, 1 minus 1 will be happening. For each and for using arrow, minus 10. So suppose Humpas will has some 16, right? And here you will be having goal. So first it will start here. It went here 1, 2, 3. That's it. Then xk 4, 5, 6. So minus 6 plus 1000. I'm just saying the best solution. If you know the diagram of Olympus, you understand. So we'll be having 994 is your performance measure, like that. Then environment. It is a room, a grid of rooms, 16 by 4 by 4 cell. Each room can either contain pit, Wumpus, that's it. Then shoot. Sorry. The agent starts in a specific room. Then actuators. What are the actions? If gold is there, you will pick the gold. If Wumpus is there, you will shoot the arrow on the people. If you have to climb up, you will climb up. If you to move left, right, front, back, you will use move thing. Then sensors. What are the sensors? If there is a pit nearby, the adjacent cells will have breeze. Okay, stench. If there is Wumpus nearby, the adjacent cells will have stench, smell. Glitter. If there is a room in the adjacent, it will shine. It will show the glitter. If you hit your face on a head while moving the wrong direction, see, I was here. I should have moved either left or straight. I use back or right. You will hit to the wall. So that is bump. Scream. When the Wumpus dies, that scream will happen. That's it. Nothing else is there for this. Okay, then modus ponens, explain what ponens resolution and theory of resolution with example. If you see there max that same modus ponens itself, I think something P and P implies Q will give you Q itself. How this comes only here it's not written properly. This thing I'll explain you in the next video. I think tonight I'll complete this complete paper, and then if any topic else is remaining, very simple one, I'll just explain you. I'll be happy to explain all those things. I'll just do it. Not to worry, yeah, that's it, not to worry, no problems, everything is fine.
Can I please ask you to subscribe? That's all we want, man. Just press subscribe.